In this video, we're going to show you how to run the heat tape and insulation on a 3/4 inch water meter. You want to start after your install. You want to run the heat tape along the bottom of the meter and just tape it in a few spots to get it nice and tight to the pipe. You then will take your insulation jacket and slide the meter inside it. You'll then reinstall the Velcro straps, getting it as tight as possible. From here, you want to rerun your pipe insulation and run it snug up to the insulation box. And repeat on the other side, and you're all complete.